Countries are fighting, markets are crashing, natural calamities across the globe, and what not? Well, surely ServiceNow could not help you with these risks. They don't have connections with Mr. Trump. But what ServiceNow can do is to save you from those increasingly complex regulatory environments and emerging threats, because traditional manual approaches to risk management are no longer sufficient. At ServiceNow's Knowledge 2025 event, the company revealed a significant platform evolution with AI at its core, including specialized capabilities for integrated risk management. The reimagined ServiceNow AI platform represents a fundamental shift in how enterprises can approach risk management, moving from slow processes to proactive and integrated strategies with automation and AI agents. And don't confuse them with those basic AI agents floating everywhere. They are a level up. Now let's move on to ServiceNow IRM Foundation. ServiceNow's integrated risk management connects businesses' security and IT with a unified risk framework that eliminates barriers and manual processes. Alright, let me list down the core IRM capabilities. Keep a track because there are quite a few. Risk management for business impact analysis and response prioritization. Policy and compliance management for automating policy life cycles. Operation risk management for comprehensive risk reporting. Audit management for optimizing audit planning using risk data. And regulatory change management for tracking and implementing regulatory updates. Wait, there is more. Another one is operational resilience management for visibility across technology, people, facilities, and suppliers. And the last one is continuous authorization and monitoring for framework support like NIST RMF. So, what makes IRM uniquely overpowered is its foundation on the Now platform, enabling automated workflows across the enterprise and real-time visibility into compliance and risk preparedness. At Knowledge 2025, ServiceNow unveiled significant AI enhancements to its IRM portfolio, representing the next evolution in risk management technology. These new capabilities leverage the newly announced ServiceNow AI platform, which unifies intelligence, data, and orchestration capabilities. One of the most significant announcements is the AI Control Tower, a centralized intelligent hub that helps organizations align AI initiative with enterprise strategy, streamline AI operations, enhance AI performance, and manage AI risk and compliance. Too much AI? Well, that's ServiceNow for you. Now, let's understand how AI Control Tower empowers this all. The first place is Chief AI Officers to align initiatives with enterprise goals and prioritize projects for maximum impact. Second, risk and compliance teams to enforce AI governance best practices. Third, IT teams to manage AI deployments efficiently through automation and robust security. Now, let's move on to understanding how Now Assist is helping in integrated risk management. ServiceNow has also introduced Now Assist for IRM, bringing generative AI capabilities specifically designed for risk management processes. Well, first is risk assessment summarization. Automatically pulls out key findings from assessments so decision makers get context instantly. Second is control objective rationalization. It finds and removes duplicate controls, boosting efficiency and clarity. Third is regulatory change management. It highlights critical regulation updates and suggests how they connect to your control systems, ensuring nothing critical is missed. This is the last AI, I promise, and perhaps the most innovative one too. Agentic AI is introduced for resolving governance, risk, and compliance issues, GRC, which is a major headache for most organizations. This capability enables faster, standardized fixing plans for complex risk and compliance issues using AI agents that can reason, adapt, and automate responses across systems. This put IRM beyond simple automation to an intelligent agent that can proactively address and prevent incoming risks. Business impact and benefits. These AI innovations fundamentally transform how organizations approach risk management by number 1, continuous risk monitoring. AI watches your operations non-stop, alerting you to issues early. Second is automated efficiency. AI handle tedious tasks like mapping control or planning fixes, so your team can focus on strategic growth practices. Number 3, unified workflows. One platform connects risk, compliance, IT, and business teams for seamless coordination. Number 4, scaled governance. AI Control Tower makes it easy to oversee and enforce AI policies across the whole organization. ServiceNow's Knowledge 2025 AI updates make risk management smarter, faster, and part of a smart organization's daily workflows. By moving to the new AI platform, IRM changes the game from manual checklists to proactive automated insights. These tools help teams work more efficiently, stay ahead of the changing regulations, and build stronger, more resilient operations, all on one unified platform. They turn risk from burden into a strategic advantage. But the question is, how would you turn these strategic advantages into actual profits? You know what? Our experts are the right people to ask this question. Because having a roadmap or a game plan is good, but not enough. You'll need experienced players to implement those strategies before your competitors take the advantage. Connect with us today via the top link in the description for a free consultation on how you can take the upper edge first. Wait. I also have another surprise for you. We are about to host a webinar which talks everything about ServiceNow's new AI agents. So make sure you register for that and show up at the webinar. Me and Vijay, our Chief Technical Officer, are going to host this webinar to go very deep into everything that ServiceNow has to offer in AI landscape after knowledge. So make sure you also subscribe or register for that webinar and show up there. Meanwhile, you can also check out these in-depth videos on more benefits of ServiceNow. Subscribe for more such informative content, like and comment on which topics you want us to cover next. And I'll see you in the next one.